This is the all-new Viaterra Waterproof Tailbag, a nifty 6-liter tailbag that makes weatherproof storage effortless. Here are 10 things that we think you will love about this tailbag. Made of a premium triple-layered material, this tailbag is waterproof without the need of any internal or external liners. What you see is what you get, and it's fully waterproof. Of course, these premium zippers are waterproof as well. Speaking of construction, this tailbag is built to retain its shape, so it looks just as good on your bike irrespective of how much you may be carrying in it. The universal mounting straps that are included with the tailbag allow for mounting on nearly any motorcycle, either on a tail rack or directly onto the rear seat. They incorporate a quick and efficient 4-click mounting and removal system. Simply clip on the buckles and tighten the cam straps to secure the bag in place. Removal is even easier. You only need to unclip 4 buckles, grab the tailbag and be on your way. And the mounting straps are even designed to be clipped together so they can be left on the bike as is. The tailbag has a wide 180-degree top opening to allow easy and convenient access to the 6-liter main compartment. A grey lining makes it easy to spot smaller items that you can place inside the bag. It comes with an adjustable divider that has a built-in flat pocket for organized storage. There's also a convenient zippered mesh pocket on the lid for more organization. As for an extra pair of gloves or rain jacket, you can store that on top of the bag using the built-in elasticated strap system. Last but not the least, off-the-bike carrying convenience is covered by a large and comfortable rubberized grab handle as well as an included shoulder strap that makes it possible to carry hands-free.